May is National Hamburger Month. Let's learn how to make a vegetable stuffed burger, an artichoke spinach stuffed hamburger. In a large bowl, add 2 ounces of cream cheese, half cup of shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, half cup of chopped artichokes, a 1/4 cup of cooked spinach, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, some salt and pepper, the amount to your liking, pinch of red pepper flakes, and mix it all together until it is well combined. Then you're gonna have a pound of hamburger meat. Make 4 hamburgers and then add a scoop of the veggie mixture to each hamburger. Then make 4 more patties and top those so inside of the patty you have your cheese and veggie mixture. You can add a little bit more salt and pepper if you would like. And then in this video, they're going to show grilling the burgers, but you can certainly bake them on a baking sheet for approximately 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or until the burgers are no longer pink in the middle.